with that, with our customers, I have customers who've been asking, hey, can they pay me through ACH? So I have my system. I've been sending out invoices to customers. Some of them call me and I use our virtual terminal to take transactions from them. But with this, offering the new payment method, I already have card and debit and want to offer ACH. So with this, I'm just going to jump into virtual terminal first, because the easiest way to see what's going on here is with any of these transactions that I'm running. The main difference adding an ACH is in our payments method section. In addition to the ability to process card manually, use a card reader, we now have the ability to pay using bank account. So in this case, if a customer is on the phone with this merchant, making a payment, and a good example, this happened to me, a tree fell on my house and I had to make a payment to a roofing company. They wanted to collect that down payment deposit before coming out to put a new roof on through ACH. So with that, it's as easy as entering a bank account number and routing number, moving forward, running the transaction.